Hey, if you cannot pair your JBL Go 4 speakers together, let me show you how you can fix this. So as you can see, in my case, everything works fine, but I had one issue. And what you have to do is just to, you will actually basically start from this screen, right? So you have to remember to be connected with one of the speaker to the JBL portable application. If everything works fine and your speaker is turned on, is visible right here, and then it is visible in the stereo part, you have to grab this second speaker, remember to turn it on by clicking once on this power button, and then you have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button for around few moments until this speaker turns off. There we go. It will blink red and then it will turn off. Now we have to click on it once on the power button to turn it on. Now as you can see, it's visible, but let's go back and let's open it one more time. Okay, it's visible, so we can click create. Let's wait for it. Let's see if it works. We can hear connection sound and it works right now. So that's how we can do this. But if you still have this issue, you can try to click on this icon and try to go back and open one more time. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.